Looking to upgrade your home or business security? In today's video, we're showcasing the 5 best security camera systems that offer unbeatable protection. Whether you're after crystal clear footage, easy installation, or smart features, we've got you covered. These top-rated systems will help you keep an eye on what matters most, 24/7. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, KERUI Wireless NVR Camera System. The KERUI 6MP Wireless NVR Camera System might be your best bet. It features an impressive dual-lens design, combining two 3MP lenses for a stunning 6MP resolution. That means sharper, more detailed footage, day or night. Thanks to H.265 plus video compression, it stores high-quality video while saving up to 50% in file size. More footage, less storage. It's a smart choice for long-term recording without eating up hard drive space. This kit offers both wireless and wired connectivity, giving you the flexibility to set it up however you like. No need to compromise on signal strength or stability. Night vision? Covered. Its smart IR cut technology ensures crystal clear images even in the dark. Plus, the system supports 28 languages, making it accessible to users worldwide. Fourth product on our list, H.View 8CH Wi-Fi Security Kit. The H.View 8CH 5MP Wi-Fi Security Kit is a powerful wireless CCTV system designed for full outdoor protection. With up to 8 channels and camera options ranging from 4 to 8 units, it's ideal for both homes and businesses. Each camera delivers stunning 5MP resolution, ensuring sharp, clear footage. Built-in two-way audio lets users listen and talk through the system remotely. It's perfect for checking in or responding in real time. The cameras are IP66 waterproof, built to handle any weather. With AI motion detection, the system identifies faces and human movements, adding intelligent security. Thanks to H.265 plus compression, users enjoy longer storage without quality loss. The NVR supports up to 4 terabytes HDD for extended recording time. Finally, with the XMI app, remote access is easy from any smartphone. H.View combines smart features and strong performance in one complete surveillance solution. Third product on our list, ASECAM Security Camera System. The ASECAM 8MP 4K Security Camera CCTV system is a top-tier solution for home and business surveillance. With 8MP resolution, it captures ultra-clear, detailed footage. The system supports up to 8 cameras, available in bullet or dome styles, ensuring flexibility for various installation needs. This PoE NVR kit offers easy setup, while H.265 compression helps reduce storage requirements. The cameras are IP66 waterproof and can withstand extreme temperatures from -45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with motion detection and email alerts, this system ensures you're always notified of any suspicious activity. Audio recording adds an extra layer of monitoring, while the 130 degrees viewing angle provides wide coverage. Access your system remotely via the P2P app on both Android and iOS for real-time monitoring, wherever you are. Second product on our list, ASECAM 4K Security Camera System. The ASECAM 8MP 4K Security Camera System offers top-tier surveillance with unmatched clarity. With 8MP 4K resolution, it delivers 4 times the detail of 1080p, ensuring clear video footage day or night. The IP67 weatherproof rating guarantees durability, even in extreme outdoor conditions. Equipped with advanced night vision, the cameras provide visibility up to 100 feet in complete darkness, offering 24/7 security. The system also features H.265 video compression, which reduces file sizes by 40 to 50%, allowing for efficient storage while maintaining high video quality. Smart motion detection lets you customize zones for precise alerts, reducing false alarms. This system is ideal for those who want reliable and comprehensive protection, both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're securing your home or business, the ASECAM system provides peace of mind with exceptional video quality and performance. First product on our list, H.View Security Camera System. The H.View 4K 5MP 8MP POS CCTV security camera system offers a powerful video surveillance kit designed for both home and business use. Available with 4, 6, or 8 cameras, it provides crystal clear video and up to 8MP resolution, ensuring every detail is captured. This system includes an 8-channel PoE NVR, making installation simple and efficient. With H.2 65 compression, you get high-quality video without using up too much storage space. The cameras have a 90-degree viewing angle and are housed in durable metal with an IP66 waterproof rating, so they're perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. You can monitor your property remotely through the XMI Pro app, available for both Android and iOS. With the ability to store footage on a hard drive of up to 4 terabytes, you'll never miss a moment. With PoE technology, you only need one cable for both power and data transmission, making setup cleaner and easier. Whether you're home or on the go, this system ensures that you're always in control of your security.